Hi guys, this is Arup Karmakar and you are watching Air Designs. Today I'll show you how to design your website's landing page in Figma from scratch. The first step is to create a wireframe. What is wireframe? It is nothing but a bunch of rectangular boxes wherein you can put some content inside it that will show how your website will look ultimately. Yeah, this has been done. My next step is to open Figma, take a frame and decide the grid lines that you can check on Google for more details. And I'll put the picture of travel destination. In this case, I've chosen Victoria Memorial because this site belongs to Kolkata travel only. Yeah. Now I've chosen this color palette. I've chosen the color orange to give the warmthness of Kolkata. Correct. My next step is to decide the brand name. Yeah, I've chosen, as you know, that Kolkata is known as City of Joy, so I've chosen the name Joy. I think I'll remove the, yeah, correct. Now I will put some simple things like travel, stay connected, or community in right hand corner. And next step is to write some details about what all you can do in Kolkata, basically, through my website. Yeah, the simple details, but you have to show in creative manner. Yeah, I'll put some sign in and sign up buttons. These are simple buttons with the roundness of 8 pixel. Correct, this has been done. Yeah, my next step is to decide the logo of the brand. I've chosen this word mark J. Correct, this is looking nice. I'll put in corner also. Yeah, correct. Now I'll also give user the option to sign in through Google or Facebook also. Correct, I've chosen these icons. This is looking nice. Correct, I'll put the slide buttons so that user can slide in and out between the pictures. Correct, I'll check out some alignments. I didn't like that picture, that's why I changed. Correct. Now I'll check the alignments. I'll put some details. Yeah, details of the picture. Correct. Yeah. Now I will separate the top and bottom part. Yeah, this has been done, right? I'll round off the corners of both picture and frame and put some drop shadows. So this has been done. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment and share.